Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Kiran Jamandas Lohana. Today I talk about my topic, that is the time. Basically, there is no any particular definition to define the time, but I define the time by the comparisons. I compare the time with the rivers. Basically, time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twicely because the flow has passed, will never come back. That is the time. Time once go will never come back. That is the time. How we determine the time? Everybody says the time we determine by the clock, but I says in other way we determine by the time is determined by the feelings and physiological conditions. For example, when we are sad, time is long. When we are happy, time is short. When we are late, time is fast. When we are wet, time is slow. When we are in pain, time is endless. Basically, time is an currency. Be carefully spend it. That is the time. That is the basically time. But time is most valuable for every person because it is an unique directional, and we are also says that the most important powerful words are time. Time is an illusion. Time is the most valuable things a man can spend. A man can spend. Lost time will never found you again. Time waits for no one. Basically, better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late. Basically, the main theme of that topic is that punctuality is the thief of the time. Punctuality is the thief of the time. Basically, this is the time. And the last my point is that the time is the free. Time is the free, but it is priceless. You cannot own it, but you can use it. You cannot keep it, but you can spend it. Once you have to lose it, you never get it back. By the money and by other way, you cannot buy the time. But in some case, you can buy the times. For example, when you have need of the money for anything, when for example you are poor and you need a money, you can give your time for getting the money. In this case you can buy the time. But basically we says that time is not reversible. Time is irreversible. Time is unidirectional, and other many points are in this topic. But thanks for watching.